The universe is vast, dark, and mostly silent. For centuries we've wondered, are we alone? Today, October 4th, 2025, that silence may have been broken, not by a message, but by a flicker of light. The James Webb Space Telescope has detected a light from an object called 3I Atlas, an interstellar visitor unlike any before. This light is structured, rhythmic, and appears artificial. The implications are staggering, forcing us to confront the possibility of another intelligence in the cosmos. The James Webb was built to see the first stars, but now it may have glimpsed our future. The data is still under review, but the initial findings are both terrifying and exhilarating. We stand on the edge of a new era, one where humanity may not be alone. The story of 3I Atlas is just beginning, and it could change everything. Let's explore what we know, what it could mean, and why this single point of light matters. To understand the lights, we must first understand 3I Atlas itself. It's the third interstellar object ever detected, after Oumuamua and Borisov. These objects don't orbit our sun. They're travelers from distant star systems, carrying clues from their origins. 3I Atlas was discovered in early 2024 by the Atlas Telescope network in Hawaii, moving on a hyperbolic path, clear evidence of its interstellar origin. Unlike its predecessors, it's a dark, non-reflective object about a kilometre wide, showing no comet-like activity. Its darkness made it difficult to study, but also a perfect target for the James Webb Space Telescope. For months, it was just a scientific curiosity, a silent wanderer from another star. No one expected it to be more than a cold, dead rock. But then, a faint, rhythmic, and baffling light changed everything. The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, is humanity's most powerful space observatory. Launched in 2021, it observes the universe in infrared, allowing it to see objects invisible to other telescopes. Its giant gold-coated mirror and massive sun shield keep it cold and sensitive to faint signals. JWST operates 1 million miles from Earth, at the second Lagrange point, where it can observe without interference. This made it the perfect tool to study 3I Atlas, searching for any sign of artificial heat or light. The astronomers weren't looking for aliens, just the object's composition. What they found was beyond anyone's expectations. JWST observed 3I Atlas as it passed through a quiet region of space. Using its advanced spectrographs, astronomers expected to see the signature of a cold, dark rock. Instead, they found sharp, narrow-band emissions, precise, repeating spikes in the infrared spectrum. The signal pulsed with regular periodicity, unlike anything seen from natural objects. Every diagnostic check confirmed the light was coming from 3I Atlas itself. The pattern was complex, hinting at information encoded within. No natural explanation fit. Not volcanism, not outgassing, not any known chemistry. The energy required suggested a deliberate power source. The conclusion, though tentative, was unavoidable. The light patterns matched artificial technology. A light switch had been flicked on, millions of miles away, on a visitor from another star. The scientific team was stunned. The world was about to learn of a discovery that could change everything. The search for answers had only just begun. What could these lights mean? The possibilities are staggering. The most thrilling. 3I Atlas, could be an alien probe, a piece of technology sent to explore the galaxy. The lights might be part of its propulsion, communication, or simply waste heat. Is it active or just a relic? The pulsed light could be a signal or just routine operations. Of course, science demands skepticism. Could it be a natural phenomenon we don't yet understand? Some propose exotic geology or unknown physics, but nothing fits the data so far. Another possibility, it's a derelict, a dead probe, or ancient wreckage from a lost civilization. Each scenario tells a different story about the universe and our place in it. When the news broke, the world was electrified. The scientific paper was cautious, but its conclusion was clear. Something extraordinary had been found. Media outlets exploded with coverage, and the question, "Are we alone?" became urgent and real. Scientists urged patience, reminding everyone that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Behind the scenes, telescopes worldwide raced to confirm the findings. For the public, it was a moment of awe, hope, and anxiety. Art, music, and conversation flourished as people grappled with the implications. Governments called for calm and cooperation. The United Nations convened to discuss protocols. The discovery was no longer just science, it was a global event. Humanity was forced to look up and reconsider its place in the cosmos. For millennia, we've believed we were alone in the universe. The discovery of an artificial object from another star system challenges that belief at its core. If true, it means life and intelligence can arise elsewhere. Even a derelict probe would be the most important discovery in human history. It would prove that the Great Filter is not insurmountable, and that the galaxy could be teeming with life. This would force a profound shift in our perspective, a humbling, exhilarating realization. The knowledge that we are not alone could inspire a new era of exploration and unity. The end of our cosmic loneliness could be the beginning of our journey into a larger community. Why does a distant flicker of light captivate us? Because it speaks to our deepest drive, exploration. From ancient migrations to the moon landing, curiosity has always pushed us forward. The James Webb Space Telescope is a product of that spirit, built to see the unknown. The story of 3I Atlas validates our belief that discovery awaits those who seek. Whether alien probe or new natural phenomenon, the quest to understand it will teach us about the universe and ourselves. The journey of discovery is often more important than the destination, and our journey into the cosmos has only just begun. We stand at a crossroads, facing a universe full of surprises. The coming months will bring intense analysis and debate as scientists work to verify the findings. Whether 3I Atlas is alien technology or a natural wonder, we've been reminded that the cosmos is full of mysteries. This is a time to embrace curiosity, ask questions, and share in the wonder. Even if we can't see this visitor, it's out there, a messenger from a distant shore. The universe is dynamic, beautiful, and waiting to be explored. We are a curious species, asking profound questions and seeking answers. The story of 3I Atlas is not an ending, but a spectacular new beginning. The greatest adventure is just getting started. Stay with us as this incredible story unfolds.